Hey family, imagine if I told you that your DNA is not your destiny, that the life you want, your health, happiness, relationships, success can actually be rewired by how you think and feel. Sounds wild, right? Well, that's what we're talking about today, and I'm getting started right now. Before we get started, I just want to ask all of you watching, if you could please click that subscribe button, help us to reach more people with self-empowerment knowledge. Thank you. Dr. Bruce Lipton is a world-renowned cell biologist who spent decades studying cells, genetics, and the powerful influence of the environment on our biology. And today I'm breaking down how you can use his science to literally reprogram your mind for success. First, we got to figure out, what is this epigenetics? Epigenetics is the study of how your environment, everything from, what you think, what you believe, your surroundings, can turn your genes on or off. Here's the key. Your DNA is not your life script like we once believed. Instead, Dr. Lipton's studies found that your perceptions, your beliefs, your experiences act like switches, and they tell your genes which programs to run. So that means that your internal environment, your mind, your emotions, plays a huge role in shaping your health, happiness, and success. This is something I think is fascinating. Dr. Lipton found that about 95% of the programming that runs your life and your brain, is formed in the first 7 years of your life. That's when your subconscious mind is absorbing all those beliefs, fears, habits from your parents, your environment, society. Now think about a habit that you just can't seem to get rid of. Maybe it's self-doubt, reacting with anger, biting your nails out of fear and anxiety attacks. Most of us assume that's just who I am, but in reality, it's learned programming. And the amazing part of this, family, the empowering part of this, is that you can change that. Because of his cell biology research, Dr. Lipton showed that your genes are not necessarily your destiny. It's your environment and your perception that largely control which genes are active. Stress, fear, and negativity send signals that can turn genes off. Positive beliefs, confidence, constructive perception of yourself, they send signals that turn growth, healing, and success genes on. Simply put, family, what we're saying here, now we have scientific proof to back this up. Your mind influences your body and your actual biology. So how do you reprogram your mind? Well, Dr. Lipton gave these practical steps. Number one, awareness. Take notice of the habits, the fears, and beliefs that are running your life, and to understand how things in your childhood, the people in your childhood, the experiences, your parents' teachings, all of that, how that affected your programming. 2, conscious belief change. That simply means replace your old toxic beliefs with new empowering beliefs. 3, visualization. We talk about that a lot on this channel. Imagine yourself confident, successful, and thriving. This trains your subconscious mind. 4, perception shift. See challenges not as obstacles or problems or threats, but as opportunities. Your emotions and your body chemistry will follow your lead, and you won't have as much pain. You won't be as tired. 5, repetition. Keep reinforcing these new patterns until they become your new default. You might know somebody that grew up in your neighborhood and they were always saying stuff like, I'm not good enough, I'm not smart enough, I don't know enough. This type of thinking, you might have noticed, affected their relationships, their career, their self-esteem in negative ways. If they were able to notice these negative or limiting beliefs and replace those negative thoughts with thoughts like, I'm capable, I'm worthy, I'm whole, I'm complete, I'm confident, and they begin visualizing themselves being successful, then their life might shift. This is not magic, family. It's science. It's science in action. Your beliefs and perceptions influence cells of your body, and therefore they influence your life outcome. So here's the takeaway. You are not bound. You are not imprisoned by your early programming as a child. You have the power, family, to rewire your brain, shift your perceptions, and change your life. It takes awareness or consciousness, practice, and consistent effort, but the science is clear. Your mind steers your body and biology. Start today. Why wait? Notice your patterns that are toxic. Challenge your old beliefs. Imagine the life you want for yourself, family. Remember, your genes don't control you. You control your genes. If this video inspired you, family, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's rewire our brains together so we can live our best lives. Peace and blessings.